Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Kapoor. I am Senior Director of Digital Solutions at 𝗠𝗿𝗧𝗲𝗏. I have decades of experience and expertise in designing and delivering enterprise-grade digital platforms. And it has been several years now I am associated with Sitecore being the center of the DXP and rest of the stack revolving around. I'm a thought leader and Sitecore MVP. In this session, I will talk to you about Sitecore XM Cloud architecture. XM Cloud is positioned as a natively composable CMS platform. Composable technology will be SaaS based. As various technologies will be used, it's critical to not to be responsible for their hosting and operations. The tools should be plug and play, loosely coupled, and swappable. You can bring your own email manager, CRM system, and recommendation engine and swap out any tool or technology without significantly affecting the others. Here in this architecture, what we have here is like we have a hosting, editing host, and we have a build deployment services. We have a CM instance. So when we sign up for XM Cloud subscription as a license, what we are entering into, we are just getting a CMS environment, as it is a SaaS based headless product. So we will get a CM instance and all the capabilities of XM Cloud, what we were listening and hearing in some of my previous videos, all those capabilities are there. Like we have Sitecore pages, PowerShell, embedded personalization, headless experience accelerator, unified identity, embedded analytics, whatnot. Now, as the XM Cloud is a headless CMS, we need a layer of services which can be used to extract the data from CMS and build a head. And that is where like Experience Edge GraphQL API layer comes into picture. So when we manage the code, what we are doing, we are deploying on CM for only CM related enhancement. And let's understand there is no content delivery server being provisioned as part of XM Cloud anymore. Now, as we don't have a content delivery server, but what we have is like headless architecture, and that the user experience side we gonna be building on 𝗠𝗿𝗧𝗏. So what will happen is now the content is stored in XM Cloud. We have GraphQL APIs which are interacting with XM Cloud, and then on top of this, the front-end layer will be hosted as static site hosting on 𝗠𝗿𝗧𝗏. So this is my Next.js code of components, pages, everything related to UI is now staying in 𝗠𝗏𝗧𝗏 as static site hosting. And then there are other stack on the user experience side like OneTrust, Personalize, Analytics, Translate, whatnot, are staying on the user experience layer to complete the experience. Now, from composable layer perspective, like and this is where like it's not that we are tying up or entering into Sitecore only ecosystem. We have lot of flexibility of choosing the right product to deliver various different unique experiences. For example, for search, we can choose like 𝗶𝗿𝗶𝗵 and various other options like CRM systems, third-party integrations. So everything is being built from composability perspective, and we can easily plug them, connect them with each other to complete the architecture. Now on top of this, there is another layer which we are calling the MAC layer, microservices based layer, and this is where like we are getting, if we have custom databases, we can use Azure Elastic Pools to host them. If we have custom APIs, we can use Azure Functions to host them. If we have additional gateways which we want to build on top of the application, we can certainly use various other Azure functionalities to basically build those features. And then the UI layer, which is staying in 𝗠𝗏𝗧𝗏 written in Next.js, will make API calls to these MAC layers to get required results to complete the experiences. With SaaS, there is no need to worry about uptime, support, or maintenance. The solution is provided as a service, reducing the need of both software infrastructure and team to maintain that infrastructure. With SaaS subscription model, it decreases initial cost as well. It is based on pay as you use. It reduces the backend effort almost by 50 to 60% on average. It integrates seamlessly with your existing backend systems and marketing investments. It easily scales up and scales down as demand changes. The decoupled headless architecture empowers different teams to work concurrently and create content once and deliver it anywhere. It rapidly deploys changes and features without worrying about IT and support. Microsoft Azure ensures that Sitecore environment is secure all the time, and one of the most awaited one, no need to wait for right time to upgrade. Get updates and feature enhancements as they roll out to the SaaS platform.